Alright, back on our head here again. I just got done cutting the valves here. So I butted off the end, clean up the big mark in the top, reground them here on the other side. So we got to check our TD lift clearance now. Poured these out last night, opened them up. Then all opened up. This one I screwed up on one of them. Somewhere. I hit it real good. This one here, some dimples I put in there. Cut too much. Clean it up though. Okay, so I'm gonna, what am I doing? TD lift. Where's my TD lift numbers at? In my box. There's my paperwork over here. Too many long nights, don't remember the numbers. Might get back over the dumbass. Oh, these aren't too bad. 234, 245. So 235, 245. Exhaust is higher than intake. It's kind of backwards. Basically, we just measure it. See if they hit. Take it. I'm going to do a valve drop just this way to see what it is. And that's all there is to it. I'm just going to put that block of wood over there. There. Camera further away. It's kind of awkward. Alright. 235, huh? That's 300. Okay, somewhere about in that area there, give or take a little. Keep the head flat, valve will stay put. Yeah, whatever, do a little extra. Spin it around. Appears to have a little bit of clearance. Not a lot, but enough. That one valve I think moved when I picked it up for the camera. Double check it. Oh, intake sunk pretty deep relative to the exhaust. That was sunk a long ways, I guess. Let's see, I gave the wrong number. 1, 235. I might give the wrong number. That's what tired does to you. 235. I can double check this. Okay, we're at 2. Let's see, around 350. 1, 2, 35. 245, whatever. Same number. Tired. 1, 2. 1, 2. A little extra. That looks much better. Intake's higher up where it belongs. Look pretty close. They look a little close. Better double check that number. Okay, so we're at 250. Let's go over here. We got 150 there. So 1, 2, 240. When that close, you got to come back and check it a little more accurate. 1, 2, a little extra. Appears to only have about 30 thou clearance there. Intake's lower than exhaust, but it's close. Exhaust valve's too high. It's pushing it. 150. There's 2. Yeah. It's actually 175. Damn, can't think. Too tired. Okay, what are we gonna do here? Let's go off that side. 150, 100, 200. Damn, I'm tired. Can't think. Not a good sign. There's our 150. Should be about 240. Shoot and change. Yeah. Intake's lag and exhaust. Exhaust is high up. Alright, we're a little close. So what we need to do is we need to grind the outside of this valve a little bit to get some clearance. A little extra just to make sure. Right now it has a sharp edge. I'm gonna put a chamfer on it somehow. Damn, throat. Best way is with a grinder, which we don't have access to very well. Alright, I'm gonna go grind these. We'll be back. Oh. Alright, I'm tired. I remember how to do stuff. Okay, so I figured out how to do this. Take an old valve guide, lock-up valve guide. Always got to keep them laying around. It allows you to spin it like this, pretty easy. And we just put it against our surface grinder over here, right here, and grind the angle, whatever angle you want. So, trick is to make sure it doesn't catch on this corner. So these are not at 45, they're a different angle. About a 30-degree angle included, maybe 40 degree. Alright, so do that. These junk heads out of the way. So we can just let it spin like this, or you can hold it and rotate it like this by holding the guide going like this, or just let it spin on the wheel. I'm going to try spin on the wheel. Usually it's hard on the wheel, but we'll see. Okay, so we're going to hold it at a 45 degree. It should be at an angle like that. I'll do closer to 45. Burning my hand by spinning against it. So you gotta put some drag on it to slow it down. So instead of pushing with my finger, I'm pulling it like this last time. Put drag on it. Spins pretty quickly. Leaves a nice finish though. Let's go see if the angle's close to what I need. That's kind of important. Gotta have that angle close. It also lightens your valve up a little bit too. Yeah, it could be a lot flatter. Yeah, actually it's pretty good. So that gives you a little extra clearance right in there. Damn, burning my finger. My finger's getting burnt. So it comes up there, you get that little extra clearance right there. Gives you a little extra. Just in case you might catch it. Okay, so I'm going to go do the same angle on the other one. This valve's still really thick, so I can cut some more. And it won't hurt to hit the exhaust intake a little bit, but you got to be careful, they're really thin. Usually leave those pretty sharp. Yeah, let's get bigger. Could have blown up too much. Yeah. See how thin the intake valves are? So there's really a lot of material to cut there, so probably leave it. This one here is still pretty thick. Cut that a lot more. So anyway, they just come across like this, hitting against each other. So I'm trying to stop that interference from hitting. I think I'm just going to break this edge, not do any more than that. Alright, let's go do some more grinding. We got the pattern worked out. It's just now working doing it. Usually you don't have to do this, but when you're pushing the envelope, you gotta do what you gotta do. And the other intake valve. Alright. Ah, damn it, forgot the guide. Yeah, not enough sleep. I'm weak of this crap. No sleep. Okay, I'm gonna grind and roll the valves a little bit. Take the burr off. Okay, so now they're both ground. So, see how it works. Do that.